Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a quiet night where everything around you has slowed down, where the noise of the day has faded, and the only thing left is the soft rhythm of your breath. You are lying on your bed, your body relaxed, your eyes closed, but your mind is not truly asleep. Somewhere deep inside, your brain is still active, still observing, still organizing everything you experience during the day. Now, consider this carefully. What if this hidden activity could be guided, shaped, and used for something meaningful? What if, instead of letting your mind wander through random thoughts, you could gently direct it toward learning, toward growth, toward something that improves your life step by step? Most people believe that learning requires effort that feels heavy, hours of study that feel tiring, and discipline that feels difficult to maintain. They think progress only comes when they are fully awake, fully focused, and pushing themselves hard. But what if the real secret is not in working harder, but in working smarter with the way your brain naturally functions? Your mind does not stop when you sleep, it simply changes how it works. It begins sorting information, strengthening memories, and building connections quietly in the background. This process is automatic, but it is not completely out of your control. You cannot command your brain directly while you sleep, but you can influence what it chooses to work on. The key lies in what you feed it before you close your eyes. Think of your brain like a field that grows whatever you plant in it. If you fill your mind with distractions, stress, and random content before sleep, your brain will spend the night processing that chaos. But if you give it something simple, clear, and meaningful, it will treat that input as important and begin working on it during the night. This is where everything changes. Instead of ending your day with noise, you begin to end it with intention. You sit quietly for a few minutes and expose your mind to calm, simple English. You read a short paragraph, listen to a gentle audio, or speak softly about your day. You are not trying to be perfect, and you are not trying to learn everything at once. You are simply preparing your mind, like setting the stage before a performance that happens behind the curtain. As you repeat a few simple sentences, your brain begins to recognize patterns. It starts to notice how words connect, how sentences flow, and how meaning is formed. You may not feel anything special in that moment, but something important has already started. When you fall asleep, your brain carries those patterns with it. It begins to replay them quietly, strengthening them, making them more familiar. The next day, when you try to use the same sentences, they feel slightly easier. Not perfect, but easier, and that small shift is the beginning of real progress. Many people fail to see this because they are looking for instant results. They expect dramatic changes overnight, and when they do not see them, they give up. But true learning does not happen in sudden bursts. It grows slowly, like a seed that develops roots before it shows any visible growth. If you stay patient and consistent, those small changes begin to add up. Over time, English stops feeling strange. It stops feeling like something outside of you. Instead, it begins to feel natural, like something your mind understands without struggle. This transformation does not come from forcing yourself to learn more, but from allowing your brain to learn better. When you respect how your mind works, you remove pressure and replace it with a system that supports you. You start to see learning not as a difficult task, but as a process that fits into your life smoothly. Even the idea of listening to soft English audio while you sleep becomes part of this system, not as a magical shortcut, but as a gentle way to increase familiarity. The sounds, the rhythm, the tone of the language begin to feel normal. Your brain becomes less resistant and more open. And when your brain feels safe and relaxed, learning becomes easier. This is the difference between struggling with a language and slowly absorbing it. It is not about how much you do, but how you do it. You begin to understand that your mind does not need pressure, it needs the right environment. By giving it calm, simple, and repeated input, you allow it to build connections naturally. And as those connections grow stronger, your confidence grows with them. You no longer feel lost when you hear English. You no longer feel anxious when you try to speak. Instead, you begin to feel a quiet sense of familiarity, a sense that you are moving forward even if you cannot measure it immediately. This is the hidden power of using your nights wisely. It is not about doing something extraordinary, but about doing something consistent. Each night becomes a small step, and each step moves you closer to a point where English no longer feels like a challenge, but a part of your everyday thinking. And that is where the real change begins, not in one dramatic moment, but in many quiet nights that slowly reshape your mind. As days turn into weeks, something subtle yet powerful begins to take place within you, something that you may not notice immediately, but will eventually feel in the way you think, listen, and speak. Your brain starts recognizing patterns faster, your ears become more comfortable with the sound of English, and your hesitation begins to fade little by little. This is not because of one single effort, but because of a system you have built, a routine that your mind has learned to trust. Every night, when you repeat the same simple process, your brain understands that this is important. It no longer resists or feels confused. Instead, it prepares itself. The moment you sit down for your short practice, your mind shifts into a focused state without force. This is the power of consistency. When something becomes a habit, it stops feeling difficult. You no longer need motivation because your brain is already trained to follow the pattern. At the same time, you begin to understand the importance of simplicity. Instead of chasing complex content, you stay with what matches your level. You repeat the same audio for several nights, allowing your brain to move from unfamiliarity to recognition, and from recognition to comfort. At first, the sentences feel new, then they start to sound familiar. Eventually, they become something your mind expects, something it understands without effort. This is how real learning happens, not through constant change, but through deep repetition. You also begin to connect your day with your night. During the day, you learn a few small things, maybe a handful of sentences or a short paragraph. You do not overload yourself, and you do not rush. Then at night, you return to the same material, allowing your brain to strengthen what it has already seen. This creates a powerful cycle where learning and reinforcement work together. Your conscious effort during the day gives your brain something to focus on, and your subconscious work during the night makes it stronger. Slowly, your memory improves, your understanding deepens, and your confidence grows. You start noticing that you can recall sentences more easily in the morning. Even if you remember only a part of what you heard, it still feels like progress. And that feeling matters because it keeps you going. You begin to trust the process instead of questioning it. You realize that learning is not about perfection, but about gradual improvement. At the same time, your mindset begins to change. Instead of thinking that English is difficult or that you are not good at it, you start telling yourself a different story. You remind yourself that you are improving, that you are becoming more comfortable, that you are moving forward step by step. These thoughts may seem small, but they have a deep impact on how your brain responds. When you believe that you are improving, your brain supports that belief. It reduces fear, it reduces hesitation, and it allows you to take action without overthinking. This shift in identity is just as important as the method itself. Because no matter how good your system is, it will not work if your mind is working against you. But when your identity aligns with your goal, everything becomes easier. You stop fighting yourself and you start working with yourself. Over time, this combination of habit, repetition, and belief creates a strong foundation. You are no longer depending on motivation or waiting for the perfect moment. You are simply following a process that fits naturally into your life. And this is what makes the difference between temporary effort and lasting change. You are not trying to become fluent overnight. You are allowing your brain to adapt gradually in a way that feels sustainable and real. As weeks pass, you begin to notice something remarkable. You understand more without trying too hard. You respond faster without translating in your head. You feel less nervous when you hear or speak English. These are signs that your brain is changing, that the patterns you have been building are becoming part of you. And the most surprising part is that it does not feel forced. It feels natural, as if your mind has quietly adjusted itself over time. This is the result of many small actions repeated consistently. Each night, you chose to guide your mind instead of leaving it to randomness. Each day, you chose to practice a little instead of doing nothing. These choices may have seemed simple, but together they created a powerful transformation. And now, you begin to see the outcome. English is no longer something you struggle with in the same way. It is becoming something familiar, something manageable, something that fits into your thinking. This is the real goal. Not perfection, but comfort and confidence. And once you reach this point, everything else becomes easier. You can build on your foundation, explore more complex ideas, and express yourself more freely. But it all started with a simple decision to use your time differently, to trust a process that works with your brain instead of against it. And as you continue on this path, you realize that the greatest change was not just in your English, but in your understanding of how you learn, how you grow, and how small, consistent actions can reshape your life in ways you never expected.